Hi guys, good morning, selamat pagi, and today I'm going to fly to Jakarta for the first time. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and currently I am here in Kuala Lumpur International Airport Terminal 2, and I will be flying with AirAsia Berhad. So this is a Malaysian AirAsia to Jakarta. So this will be my first flight to Indonesia. So it will start here in Kuala Lumpur and ends in Jakarta. So sa online, I already pre-book my hot meal. So mamaya titikman natin kung papasaba yung Chicken Teriyaki nila. Later, we will see the experience that this AirAsia Berhad will give to its passengers. And I guess they will be using Airbus A320 for this flight. Before I proceed to this video, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, click the bell button for notification. And if you have comments, suggestions, and some clarifications or recommendations, you may write down in the comment section below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So, let's go! My aircraft for today is AirAsia Airbus A320-251N, and aircraft registration of 9M-AGH. I wasn't expecting that my aircraft for this flight is Airbus A320NEO, and this is my first time to try this kind of aircraft. So I am very excited for this flight. The AirAsia Airbus A320NEO is the new operation-efficient version of Airbus' popular model. It operates in a single-class configuration with 186 standard economy class seats. Hot seats are regular economy seats located at the front of the aircraft from rows 1 to 5. Passengers seated here will be served first and be amongst the first to disembark. Exit rows are also designated hot seats, and a fee must be paid to be pre-selected. The lady flight attendant allows me to use the lavatory. It is quite narrow for me, but it is clean. As you can see, the legroom is not suitable for me, just acceptable for LCC.
Assalamualaikum, very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard. This is AirAsia by AK384 to Cengkareng, Jakarta.
Now checking the contents of seat pocket. As you can see, this seat pocket contains ads, magazines, air sickness bag, and the most important thing is the safety information.
Airport to Chengkering. The commander of this flight is Captain Eric, assisted by First Officer Haikal, and I'm Dila, your senior cabin crew. Together we meet the cabin today, cabin crew Reed, cabin crew Corey, and cabin crew Ayman. This flight will take 2 hours 10 minutes. For safety, your large item must be placed in the overhead compartment and keep your small item, including laptop cases and handbag, under the seat in front of you. Selamat datang, ini adalah penerbangan AirAsia pesawat AJ384 ke Chengkering, Jakarta. Juruterbang penerbangan ini adalah Captain Eric, dibantu oleh pembantu juruterbang Haikal, dan saya Dila adalah ketua pramugari anda. Bersama
Ladies and gentlemen, we will now demonstrate to you the safety features of this aircraft. As your safety is our concern and the safety features may differ from other aircraft, we ask for your full attention to the cabin crew in front of you. Hold the mask firmly towards you. Place the mask over your nose and mouth with the headband tightly around your head and breathe normally. Place your own mask first before assisting others under your care. B. During evacuation, leave your hand luggage. If smoke is present, keep low and follow the path lights to the nearest exit as indicated.
Please be seated for takeoff.
pre-ordered chicken teriyaki with rice online for only 10 Malaysian ringgit or about 140 Philippine peso. Water is free for this hot meal. I think this is the best hot meal for a low-cost airline. if I'm going to rate this one, this is 10 over 10. This is so good.
Pesawat anda telah menyalakan isyarat tali kereta apabila cuaca yang tidak memuaskan. Untuk keselamatan anda, sila kembali ke tempat duduk dan pasangkan tali kereta anda. Penggunaan tanda sewa untuk ini
Pasangkan tali kereta. Tentukan meja anda diletakkan di tempat yang asal dan pastikan penutup tingkap telah pun dibuka. Jika anda telah menggunakan alatan elektronik di dalam penerbangan ini, sila pastikan yang telah pun dipadamkan sekarang. Untuk pengetahuan tuan-tuan dan puan-puan,
Ladies and gentlemen, we have landed at Soekarno-Hatta International Airport, Jakarta. For your safety, please remain seated. Usage of mobile phone is not allowed until the seatbelt sign is switched off. Do be careful when opening the overhead compartments. Before leaving the aircraft, please check that you have all your hand luggage with you. It was a pleasure having you on board, and we look forward to serving you again soon.
Câu hỏi sao giá?
Hi guys, just landed in Jakarta. That was my first Airbus A320NEO experience via AirAsia Berhad with a flight number of AK384 from Kuala Lumpur to Jakarta. All I can say is that I really enjoyed the flight. What do you think about this video? Is it good or not good? If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, click the bell button for notification. If you have comments, suggestions, and recommendations, you may write down in the comment section below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So see you in my next video. Bye bye!